Tired of getting ripped off by your bank when traveling abroad? You're not alone. International transaction fees, poor exchange rates, it all adds up. But fear not, fellow travelers, because today we're diving deep into the world of travel money cards, Wise versus YouTrip. We'll break down the key features, fees, and real-world experiences to help you choose the best card for your next adventure. Wise, the global champion. Let's start with Wise, formerly known as TransferWise. This card is a global powerhouse, renowned for its transparent and competitive exchange rates. Key features: borderless account, a multi-currency account that lets you hold and convert over 50 currencies. Low fees, transparent and often lower fees compared to traditional banks. Wide acceptance, accepted worldwide at millions of merchants. Easy to use, user-friendly app and website with a seamless interface. Pros: excellent exchange rates, generally considered among the best in the industry. Global reach, supports a wide range of currencies and operates in many countries. Transparency, clear and upfront fee structure with no hidden surprises. Cons: ATM withdrawals, can have higher fees for ATM withdrawals compared to some competitors. Limited rewards, limited or no rewards programs compared to some travel credit cards. YouTrip, the Southeast Asia specialist. Next up, YouTrip, a popular choice in Southeast Asia. This card focuses on ease of use and a sleek user experience. Key features: foreign exchange, Forex, multiplier, boost your spending power by up to 10 times with their rewards program. In-app budgeting, easy to track your spending and set budgets for your trip. Competitive exchange rates, offers competitive rates for popular travel currencies. Pros: rewarding program, the Forex multiplier can significantly enhance your travel budget. User-friendly app, intuitive and easy-to-navigate app with helpful features. Strong in Southeast Asia, well-established and popular in many Southeast Asian countries. Cons: limited global reach, primarily focused on the Southeast Asian market. Rewards can be complex, understanding and maximizing the Forex multiplier can be tricky. So, which card reigns supreme? For global travelers, Wise is generally the better choice. Its competitive exchange rates, extensive global reach, and transparent fees make it a reliable companion for any international adventure. For Southeast Asia explorers, YouTrip shines with its rewarding program and user-friendly app, making it a strong contender for travelers within the region. Consider your travel style. Frequent travelers, Wise might be more cost-effective in the long run due to its competitive exchange rates. Budget travelers, YouTrip's Forex multiplier can significantly boost your travel budget, especially in Southeast Asia. Real user experiences. Let's hear from real travelers. We've gathered some testimonials from users of both cards. Wise consistently saves me money on currency conversions. It's my go-to for any international trip. John D. YouTrip's Forex multiplier is amazing. I was able to stretch my travel budget further than ever before. Sarah L. I found Wise to be more reliable and easier to use overall, especially when traveling outside of Southeast Asia. David M. Ultimately, the best card for you depends on your individual travel needs and preferences. Consider your travel destinations, budget, and how important rewards programs are to you. Wise excels in global reach, competitive exchange rates, and transparency. YouTrip shines in Southeast Asia with its rewarding program and user-friendly app. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.